In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the overhead console on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. I'm going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Just pry down. Over here. Just clips holding it in. Then you can slide it back, and you're going to have some wires you have to disconnect. Disconnect this connector here and just push down on the tab. There we go. Slide that off. Now this wire right here goes to a light. You can pull the light out like that, then disconnect the light. Just use a screwdriver. Just get underneath there. Should be able to pop that off just like that. There's a switch right here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just push on the little tabs on the switch right there. And same on the other side. And the switch comes out. So you're just pushing there, pushing there. You could try to use a pick from up top and try to pull them in. Whatever's easier for you. And disconnect this connector, just push on the tab, and it slides right out. We're going to transfer this module over to the new one. Use a 10T10 socket. Take these screws out. And just transfer it over. And just line it up. Now take the screws, get those started, and just snug them down. There we go. Now we can install it. Line up the connector, plug it in. You see these two ears in the back. Those are going to go top like that. Take the switch, it's going to slide in, lock that down. For the light, you may have an easier time just pulling the new light out. Just go side to side, connect the connector, slide that in place. It's locked in, that's good. And take this connector, you don't have a lot of slack. Try to slide that in place, lock that down, make sure the back is in. That looks good in the back. Then push it in, lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.